Welcome to Flower Bed Design. Transform your garden. I'm excited to kick off this series by diving into the basics of flower bed design, formal versus informal styles. So, let's get right into it and find out which one might be perfect for your garden. First up, let's talk about formal flower bed designs. If you love symmetry, balance, and precision, this style is for you. Picture straight lines, geometric shapes, and those perfectly manicured hedges. These gardens often draw inspiration from classic English or French parterre styles where every plant and pathway has a designated spot. Formal designs are ideal for creating a sense of elegance and structure. If your landscape is already tidy and organized, a formal garden will enhance its beauty seamlessly. Now let's switch gears to informal flower bed designs. These are all about embracing nature's natural flow. Think curves, asymmetry, and layered plantings. The relaxed, welcoming feel of an informal garden is perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. Cottage gardens are a prime example of this style. They're bursting with color and variety, and best of all, they tend to be lower maintenance. So how do you choose between formal and informal? It's simple. Match your flower bed design to your overall landscape and personal preferences. A formal garden might suit a stately home, while an informal one could perfectly complement a cozy cottage. Remember, both styles have their own unique charm. The key is finding what works best for you and your garden. Thanks for joining me today. In our next video, we'll explore the essential elements of creating a stunning flower bed design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy gardening!